Hey guys, we received this Black Eagle mask for the Novelty Latex Hawk mask, and this have a mouth eagle and the head mask comes with the claws, so it comes in a two pack. So one is the eagle claws, it's a set. So we can just open the claws first. So these are the eagle claws and is a latex claws. As you can see it here, it's soft and flexible, so you can easily wear in your hands. So they are just four fingers, so you have to put in two fingers in one, and then it really looks nice. As you can see, have a real feel here, and then looks nice as well. So you can just put it in the both hands, and this eagle claw will come with this mask as well, eagle head mask. So you combine the both things. You can use it in a Halloween party or anything else. So this looks like the real feel of the claw here, but this claw are just a flexible one. So the next thing comes with this is the eagle mask. So let's just take it out. As you can see, this is all the black eagle mask with the soft thing inside and the hairs, the black hairs outside. So this you can feel. As you can see with the eye, this is also soft latex. With the eye, there is a hole also for your clear view from the both sides, so you can have a better view. So while putting in here, you can see this feels really like a black eagle with a lot of hairs and things. You can adjust based on your need. You can just see and look through the holes. It's a nice black eagle mask.